I love reading all the comments you send me. Yep, I read everyone, answer as soon as possible. One of the most numerous comments I got is, why don't you use the paddles on the steering wheel? Why do you always use it over there? Well, I'll tell you exactly why. So I'm going to show you why I don't like the flappy pedals. I'm coming up to a roundabout, so I want to use a bit of engine braking. So I'm going to do minus 7th gear, 6th gear, 5th gear. Right, I'm in 5th gear, getting a bit of engine braking, brakes on. Rightio, up to the roundabout. There we go. Oh, and I can't get to the flappy pedal, so I actually want 3rd gear there. That 3rd gear would have been lovely. Flappy paddle has disappeared off the bottom of the steering wheel. I'm still in M4. I can change it to 5th with a flappy paddle if I wanted. And in a few seconds it'll say, yeah, you're bored now. I've gone back into drive. Okay, so if you want to show off, yes, passengers, yeah, I've got flappy pedals, mate. Yeah, you bet you ain't got them. What I can do is I can go down 3 gears, give it some welly. Ah, fantastic. Change gear again. What about that? That's fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, they're very good, apart from when you can't get to your pedals. I'd much rather use the gear stick. I know I'm in 3rd gear now. I've got good engine braking. I'm round the corner. I'm off 3rd gear, 4th gear. Fantastic. And I'm still in 4th gear as I come to this corner. Hasn't decided to, oh blimey, that's a lot of power, and straight into drive again. So I've chosen what gears I want to use, whereas the flappy pedals decide it all for you. Now I'm going to use a steptronic here. This roundabout is pretty tight. Now you watch where the pedals go. I want 3rd gear here, so there we go. Halfway round a roundabout, I've changed gear. And again, where's the paddles? Where's the paddles gone? Yep, they've disappeared quite substantially to a place I can't get to. There you go. And also I can put it straight back into drive again, where I can't with the paddles. Now, one of the comments I'm absolutely sure to get is, well, Formula One drivers are the best drivers in the world and they use flappy paddles. Yes, I agree with all of that. They are the best drivers in the world. Well, and they do use flappy paddles. But the next time you're watching Formula One, where they've got that camera on the front of the car facing back towards the driver, watch where his hands are. Yep, Formula One steering wheels only turn about 3/4 of a turn. So he's using his flappy paddles here. He's using his flappy paddles there or there. He's not trying to use them when the steering wheel's gone round a full turn, which it does on an F12 and most domestic cars. And that's the big difference. Formula One, you can use flappy paddles as much as you like. You know where the steering wheel is. In fact, it's not a wheel at all. Usually it's a yoke and it's got the flappy paddles and all the buttons and all the rest of it. That's why Formula One drivers successfully use flappy paddles. They know where they are. But in a BMW of this vintage, we don't know where they are. They could be anywhere. They could be a turn away for all we know, and you could be hitting the wrong one. Much better to use something that's going to stay where it's put. The gear stick. Yeah, that's not moving. It's not wandering around the car at all like the flappy paddles do. You know exactly where it is. And when you're on a roundabout where the steering wheel's going almost a full turn round, yeah, steptronic gear stick. It knows where it is and it's going to stay there. And you know where it is and you know how to change gear. So that's the reason why I don't use the flappy paddles. Yeah, good for showing off to your mates and stuff like that. I've got flappy paddles on mine, just like a Formula One car. Anyway, yeah, keep commenting. I'd love to hear your comments on this. Should be good fun. Anyway, yeah, keep viewing. Put thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Subscribe, as I meant to say. And I'll see you in the next. All got exciting one next one. Yeah, very unusual car. See you next time.